This video is a quick overview of the latest updates to the Fulcrum DroneDeploy app extension. This latest update gives you the ability to seamlessly push the drone maps that you collect to Fulcrum as map layers so that you can use them as reference on your mobile device while collecting data in the field. Fulcrum for DroneDeploy is available on the DroneDeploy App Market, which you can see on their website. Now let's take a look at some imagery. This is a shot of a pre-construction vacant lot here in town, and I'm going to use the integration with Fulcrum and DroneDeploy to turn this processed imagery into a map layer that I can use on my iPhone to conduct job site prep surveys in the field. To get started, you'll need to install the Fulcrum DroneDeploy app through the DroneDeploy App Market, which is available through the dashboard view on your account. A simple search will show you the Fulcrum extension, which you can then install, and it'll display within your project view in your DroneDeploy account. Now let's take a look at my project here. Now that I've installed the extension, you can see it here on the bottom of the project view. The first time you use it, you'll need to log into your Fulcrum account, and then you'll see the ability to add annotations or tile layers. We're going to be working with tile layers here in this example. Using this as a layer in Fulcrum will allow it to function as an overlay on top of the base map to be able to use on an iPad or an iPhone. So what I'll do here is give this a name, and when I add it to Fulcrum, we'll flip over to the Fulcrum account and show how to make that available to your mobile users. Over here on my Fulcrum account, I've browsed to the layers settings. All you'll want to do is look for your layer. You'll see here the one that I created in DroneDeploy. It says it right here. Edit that layer and just make sure that all the users on my team will have access to this imagery. Now let's take a look at what that looks like out in the field on a mobile device. Now that I've synced my device and panned over to my project area, all I need to do is tap the layers icon, pick layers, and you see my job site layer. Turn it on, and that will load live the drone imagery from DroneDeploy. Then using my job site prep app that I've built, I can add some notes here, annotating on top of the imagery while I'm out in the field.